Hey yo everyone! We're back in our burger simulator. So ngayon, mag-grind ulit tayo. Oh, ang sunod na burger ay 400. Okay, halfway, but um, definitely wala na tayong mga stocks. Bakit? Okay. Patties. Ano pa? Okay, so yun na nga, patties. Tapos, may mga buns pa naman, may mga pickles. Siguro bili na rin tayo ng the heck are you? Who the heck are you? Huh? Oh, dang. Investment. I don't want that. Bili tayo ng fries. Yan. Tapos, ito. Yan. Meron pa namang pickles. Napakarami pang pickles. Ano pa ba? Hindi naman ata kailangan ng tomatoes. Yeah. Cheese. Okay pa rin. I guess. Ay, hindi. Wait. Yeah, tatlo na lang. Tatlong cheese. Ganyan. Okay. Right. We're back. It's morning now. I don't wanna start the day yet. Are we gonna start the day? Let's start. Yeah. Hello, coming through. Yes, coming through. Andun na yung mga buns,
Wow,
yan?
that was fast.
Patties, yung mga patties. Also, kamusta yung Christmas and New Year nyo, guys? My Christmas was great. My birthday. Kung napanood nyo naman dun sa birthday vlog, yes. Super fun, you know. And it's New Year. It's not that bad, pero di rin sobrang saya. Maybe because, tahimik lang sa subdivision namin, but yeah.
Easy and smooth.
That's fun. Hey, hello. It's New Year, and yeah. How many months are we in our YouTube channel? I don't know, but I'm hoping to spend more months or years with you guys. You know, let's say. Actually, nag-iisip ako kung anong gagawin kong content. Would it be Minecraft or maybe Roblox again? I don't know. We'll see, because I'm still thinking about it, and I don't really know what to do right now. Pero, darating din tayo sa puntong yun. Sa ngayon, pusin na muna natin tong Burger Simulator series. Kasi, patapos na rin naman tayo dito. Like, konting parts na lang. Mabibili natin tong King Burger, and wala na burger na, bibilhin. We just need to, save up money, and then yun. Oh. Ang end ng Burger Simulator series ay kapag wala na akong bibilhin na mga burgers. And also, mga tables and other stuff, other upgrades na pwede nating bilhin. Pero syempre, 'di ba? Ayun naman talaga ang goal ng laro. Di ko pa nalalagay yung mga patties. I honestly want to do like Minecraft contents, but like I just can't the time-consuming content that it is, because Minecraft requires a lot of work. You can't just record for like 10 minutes, just like half a day in the game, and so you need to record for like an hour or something to get a proper episode out. And then don't even get me started on yung sa mga pag-edit ng Minecraft videos, Minecraft content, kasi grabe yung time consuming, grabe yung time na ibubuhos mo pag Minecraft yung content mo. Tapos lalo pa kung may kipagsabayan ka sa mga Minecraft YouTubers ngayon na grabe talaga yung mga project nila. So, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung magko-commit ako dun sa ganong type ng content. Ooh, $237. By the way, meron akong ngayon, ubo. And meron ding plema yun, nalamunan ko. My gosh, get well soon everyone. Meron din akong sore eyes, and it is January 2 ngayon, 6:46. So, pwede natin bilhin yung hindi yan, this one, Nox. Okay. Well, we are done na restock. Yes. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah. And see you guys in the next part. Bye.